Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Monday, April 15th, Income Tax Day 2024, 8:31 p.m. Now, this is a Canarm, which is a Canadian industrial ceiling fan. It is a Canadian company. It's actually manufactured in China. Now, I'm going through my fans, organizing them, and made an MS Excel spreadsheet to catalog all of them, what parts they need if applicable, what condition they're in. This came in a set of two. They were both broken when I got them. I've been able to resurrect them from the dead, and other than some minor scuffing on one of them, it actually works. It works as intended. So I'm just gonna get back here and plug it in. I haven't hitched it up to a controller or anything. I'm just gonna plug it in and see what it can do. And for a newer fan, it's actually somewhat powerful. It is a bit wobbly, and the lower canopy is at an angle. So I moved it up a little bit past the capacitor, just so it doesn't scuff. But yeah, overall, this fan is fully functional for its intended purpose. Not sure technically if this is an industrial or keep either way, it does the job. And keep that on, and that's getting unplugged. There we go. It's my first time using the actual photo studio here, so I'm not used to how it works as of yet. I'm still trying to figure out what I've done. Anyway, I digress. So yeah, these fans, I bought them in a set of 2 years ago, and yeah, they're both broken. I was able to, fortunately, the seller was an honorable individual and completely refunded everything. I think it was $100 for the set, and that included shipping. Yeah, the seller just immediately, as soon as I told him there was a problem, refunded it. So I took painstaking measures to get them working again. Can't tell you how many labor hours I put in, but and how much oil, and I was able to get them working. One of them, I think the other one scuffs a bit when it turns, but and this one just wobbles. But yeah, I believe these are 48-inch industrial or commercial Canarms, and they were. Actually, I'll zoom in on the other fans. You can see the information sticker on the back. I've forgotten off the top of my head what year these were manufactured, like 2009 or something. But they're newish fans. They're not vintage or anything, but not really my cup of tea. I prefer older industrial fans, but from the 70s or 80s. But I do like industrial, so I bought them. And these are for sale or trade if anybody's interested. Package deal if you buy both. But that'll be discussed if anybody is interested in them. Not really looking for much in the way of trades at the moment. I'm very selective of what fans I add, because I need to need to purge most of these. I have 177 fans, I think, total. And they're all crammed into this little garage. So yeah, I want to get rid of as many as I can. Looking to sell them mostly, not trade them. So let me know if there's anything that piques your interest, and what kind of price point you're looking at spending. And I'm sure I have some fans that'll suit your needs. Yeah, and this one does have a dent on the side of the motor. Actually, it looks like a couple of dents. So something happened to these fans in their past lives. I don't know if they were damaged during shipping, or if they were, damaged before. Like, they were just lemons basically from the factory. And either way, I didn't have to pay for the fans or shipping. I just had to put some manpower into it to get them functional again. And I have misplaced the blades on the second one, but obviously I'll track those down before actually selling them, or if you're interested in them. So anyway, now that the spin down is once that completes, I will zoom in on the other fan that I have here, so you can take a look at the information tag on the back. And we are stopped now. All right. Okay, so it's actually 2011, and this one does scrape a bit. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.